Well, hey everyone, welcome back, and today we are diving into the drastically changing landscape of work that in essence it is impacting everyone, and it lets us feel worried at times. But fear not, we'll also share the strategy to navigate into these exciting yet challenging career transformations. Well, let's face it, the days of landing a job straight out and holding onto it for our entire life are pretty much gone. Think about Clara, a public relations professional who has worked at a major consulting firm in London for the past 6 years. With the rapid advancement of generative AI, she is concerned about her future. She asks, what if a sophisticated new bot can do my job just as well and even better than me? This could potentially endanger my employability. And Clara is not alone. Similar changes are happening rapidly across almost every field of work. Feeling a little anxious is completely normal. A recent study by SThree company based in London, UK found that 34% of professionals in STEM fields like Clara, they fear being replaced by AI and automation. Interestingly, the study also revealed that younger generations are actually more worried about this than older generations, with 44% of young people feeling at risk. In Singapore, by the end of February last month, during the parliamentary debate on the budget of the year 2024, members of parliament discussed the impact of AI and measures to help students and seniors in the workforce. Initiatives are being taken to cope with evolving career changes. The disbursement of $4,000 boost to the SkillsFuture Credit program is being launched for Singaporeans aged 40 and above. The aim is to empower them with lifelong learning skills. The report by Curtis Bonk and Mimi Lee on motivations, achievements, and challenges of self-directed informal learners on open education environments reveals that most participants achieved their goal of learning something new, changed their beliefs about learning, and even a sense of personal freedom was noted. Besides, over 1 in 5 found a new job or discovered a new occupational interest. It is evident from this report that pursuing self-directed learning via online learning significantly changed their lives and helped them navigate well into the ongoing threat of workplace transformations. Besides that study, take Tanmay for instance. By successfully harnessing the power of self-directed learning, is now a business leader, organizational consultant, and visual storyteller with over 2 decades of experience in diverse global environments. He founded the Q Aspire Consulting in 2021 and works with global organizations like Microsoft and Wipro Technologies. His works have been featured in best-selling books, global conferences, and publications like HBR Ascend, Forbes, HubSpot, and the World Economic Forum. Even with the Singaporean initiative of SkillsFuture program, some individuals expressed the concerns about its long-term sustainability.
I think in the long run, we want them to have this understanding that it doesn't stop there. It's lifelong learning. They can continue to upgrade themselves, and learning should not just stop there. So I do believe that the challenges that most of them face and the worries that they have could actually be eroded as long as they change that mindset, and with this kind of motivating nuggets around, I think they should be able to achieve their true potential.
Here are some reasons why societies around the world are embracing self-directed learning and why you should too as you prepare for the evolving job market. Society's values are shifting. We are seeing a growing need for personal fulfillment and meaning in our careers. We are increasingly driven to live a life we define than one being imposed upon us. Personal independence is becoming increasingly central to individual fulfillment. More than ever before, people are prioritizing a healthy balance between work and personal life. This is fueling individuals' preference to remote and hybrid work models, offering increased flexibility and freedom. Interest to project-based work, transitional jobs than long-term contracts, and freelancing are gaining significance. In this ever-changing environment, adaptability is the key. So, enhancing transferable skills like critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and collaboration is becoming increasingly gaining significance across different industries and job roles. Self-directed learning empowers you to take charge of your career journey and pursue a deeper sense of fulfillment. By doing so, you can unlock greater control and satisfaction in your professional life. I'm interested in sharing with you the magic of self-directed learning habits to boost your career and life productivity. Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button, smashing the like button, and ringing the bell so that you won't miss out on the insightful upcoming content. Meet you in the next resource.